Let go of the wheel.
Relax, because I don't give a what time you are. Don't touch me.
Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from BodyCam Pro. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. If you enjoy these types of videos, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Officers respond to a local bar after a woman is accused of causing problems and refusing to leave, and when they make contact with her, getting her to cooperate becomes the immediate challenge. The breakdown starts now.
We just spoke to her. You're not. Okay, well, she's not.
Hey, I'm trying.
That's my right. Okay, well, I'm telling nobody else.
I'm telling you what she said.
Yeah, she's retarded.
Okay, that's not my problem. But right now, they don't want you here. You need to go. It doesn't matter. You're yelling across all of these people. You're yelling across all these people.
If I was yelling at you, it would be a different tone.
Regardless, you're going to need to leave.
Man, do you have your purse and your phone, all that?
Do you have
your purse? Do you have all your belongings with you?
Yes, I do.
At this point, the officer appears focused on confirming she has her belongings and is ready to leave, rather than continuing the argument.
Alexandra, okay. You need to call him.
I understand. I'm not fighting. I'm fighting her.
You're not.
You're not fighting anybody.
I'm not talking to you. I don't know why you're talking to me. I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting.
Where's Craig at?
It looks like the officer got through to her and she left. But the officer now appears to be figuring out whether she plans to drive away.
Yeah, she's getting in the car, so.
You want to go pull up?
Florida tag, India Kilo, Quebec, Romeo 06 on a gold Chevy Traverse. Can you step out, please?
Get out of the car.
10-4. Get out of the car.
Are you leaving?
Get out of the car. No.
Relax.
I'm not driving.
Relax.
Her getting into the driver's seat changes what the officer is dealing with, and the officer is now giving clear directions for her to get back out of the vehicle.
So relax.
Listen to me.
I want everybody to be very safe and very comfortable. She's feeling
Yeah, but you need to
very
get out of the car.
anxiety. I'm already outside of the car, am I?
No, you need to step out.
Okay, and I
If
am.
you don't step out, I'm going to force you out. All right, just step out of the car.
You can't
Come
touch
on.
me. Don't touch
I can.
me because we're on the same.
Ma'am, step
we're on
out of
same
the car.
recording. We're on the same
Out.
recording.
Step
We're
out
on
of the
same
car.
recording.
Do not fight me.
Relax.
Do not fight me.
Relax. Relax, because I don't give a what time you are. Don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
Same time. We're on the same
Get out of the car.
time. Don't touch me. I don't give a what time you are.
Fighting.
Don't touch
out of the
me.
car.
Don't touch me. I didn't give you that surveillance.
Ma'am, get out of the car.
I don't give a. Y'all don't
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
Don't touch me.
Please, you.
Don't. I don't give a. Call my name. Don't
Good.
call my name.
Get on your stomach.
No.
The officers have her out of the vehicle, and their focus now shifts to gaining enough control to safely place her in custody.
Hands.
No. You're resisting me.
Hey, help Trinidad.
I do.
It's on your phone.
What you need to do is give them your arm. You understand me? You understand me?
I'm not fighting you. I'm not fighting you.
Now you're not fighting.
I'm not fighting you. I have a cover shirt. I have a medical card.
Give me the other arm.
I bet you do.
Why are you fighting?
That's how you guys tie me my But guess what? I got the will of God. I got the will of God. You know what that means? Is that you could never touch me.
Roll to your butt.
Guess what? That don't mean
Suck.
that don't mean to me.
All right, roll over your knees. We're going to stand up.
That don't to me. That don't mean to me.
Stand up.
That don't mean to me. You
Get
are.
up.
And that's all you ever been in your life. That's all you ever been in your life.
The incident ended with the woman being taken into custody. According to the case outcome, she was charged with battery, resisting with violence, and driving under the influence. She was later sentenced to 270 days in jail. What began with the officer trying to get her to leave shifted significantly once the interaction moved to the vehicle and officers had to physically take control. What are your thoughts on how the officers handled this incident? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. How do you think the officer handled the situation? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy these types of breakdowns, hit that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next breakdown.